Wanda Proxy here and Mo Cypher to talk to you all about phishing.
As you were.
Mo, I tell you, I never want to see one of those awful, ugly emails ever again. I was just phished last week.
Sadly, it's the way of the world these days, you see. Yes, firewalls won't stop phishing attacks. In fact, the number of phishing sites grew by over 400% in 2016.
Goodness me. That's faster than Gangnam Style going viral on YouTube.
Yes, scary stuff on both fronts, I say. Oh, sorry.
Yes. Let's talk about clicking. Where have you clicked lately?
Wanda!
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Now, here are 3 simple tips to help you. Slow down, stay aware, and most importantly, keep you safe at work and at home.
Yes. Number 1, don't get clicky.
Yes, that includes links in email attachments, downloadables, and executionables. Remember, curiosity isn't always kind.
Yes, and number 1, don't get clicky.
Yes, this includes links in email, attachments, downloadables, and executables. Remember, curiosity isn't always kind.
Yes, and like experimenting with questionable fashion choices. Front pleats, really, darling? And shoulder pads, hammer pants. Ugh.
Number 2, verify. Never trust a website or software with expired certificates or none at all. Yes. Want to know how to see if it's a trusted site? Of course you do. Look for the padlock in the address bar, and at the beginning of the URL, it should say HTTPS.
For email, it's best to try and verify any email with a link that is really from the person you trust, even if it says George Clooney. Especially if it says it's George Clooney. Oh, George. Remember that one time I was an extra on the set of Gravity and you made me weightless?
Wanda!
Right, yes, quite. And third, darlings, be careful. Practice caution. In the medical world and information security, oops is not a sound you want to hear. There is nothing oops about it, loves.
Cyber mistakes don't always go away so easily. Malware and ransomware can lurk in your system for years before springing to life. Unannounced. If something seems off, just say no and delete.
Yes. And thanks, Mo, dear. Remember, everyone, don't get clicky. Always verify and be cautious. Yay! Right. Now let's have some fun.
Yes.
Pumpkin spice lattes, anyone?
Oh, why not? Can I have sprinkles on mine? Let's go.